It's Whitney here at the homestead. I am growing my own very first herb garden this year, and I'm starting them all from seeds. Never done this before, but I just got in my seeds from botanical interests. Sorry, I always want to say botanical gardens. They have a chef's herb garden collection, and I just grabbed that because it had most of everything that I wanted to grow and plus a little extra stuff. And so I was going to show you what I'm growing this year. I have cilantro. I love the there we go. I love the botanical interests because they're so pretty. I know that that's kind of not an important thing, but then I've got some chives. These are all USDA organic seeds. Some of my seeds are organic, some of my seeds aren't this year. I'm not seeking out to get organic certified farm or anything. If my farm ever does go in that direction, then I will, focus more on organic. But when I can get organic, I like to get it, and these were all organic in this collection, so that's why. Then I have some 6 basil blend, so it gives me a little blend of all the basils that I want. I'm excited about this. I've never grown basil, but I've always wanted it. It says, delight your senses with this custom mix of 6 distinctive basils to fill the garden and meals with a variety of colors and scents. I'm excited. Then also we have thyme. I'm really excited about that. The reason why I don't really focus on all the seeds being organic is because I grow organically. I'm going to treat my garden organically. I'm not going to use those harsh chemicals. I'm going to do organic fertilizing and different things like that. So what I do to the plants and seeds and what I give it is all going to be organic. So I feel like that's good enough for my family's consumption. Another one is parsley. Aren't these so pretty? I always need parsley and don't have it. Ever. I don't understand. I just exclude it, and I'm sure I'm missing out, but I'm excited to grow that so I can actually have it. And I want to dry herbs this year. Never done that either, so I'll video it and show you how it goes. Got dill. I accidentally ordered 2 of these somehow. Yep, there's the other one. I don't know how I did that. And then I have lavender, which I wanted to grow lavender for medicinal purposes. I use lavender essential oils all the time, so I'd really like to make my own lavender tinctures or whatever. I think I say this wrong. Fennel? 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 I don't know. I'm not good at words, and I'm not afraid to say it. This is an heirloom grown as a vegetable for the succulent, sweet, licorice flavored bulbs, or as an herb for delicately flavored foliage and aromatic seeds. This is really good for digestion, and that's why I want to grow it. I'm really wanting to do some tinctures, and I wanted to get some basic herbs that I know that I can handle and I already know about, so I can make tinctures safely and effectively, all while learning other things. I'm taking some herbal medicine classes right now, and I'm excited to try these. Oregano, that's one of my I've used oregano for so long. I've not grown it myself. Well, actually, I have grown it. I have one oregano plant last year. But I've never dried them myself or made my own tinctures. But oregano has such a large variety of uses, not only cooking. It's very medicinal. And it can serve as an antibiotic, just all kinds of things. And I plan to make my own antibiotic ointment with that. But I've used it for years and it works so good. So I'm excited to have several plants in my herb garden. And then I have rosemary, of course. I never have rosemary, and I'm so excited because there's so many things that I want to make, and it calls for rosemary, and I can't wait to grow it myself. I have tons of other seeds. These are just my herbs because I want to make a small herb garden. I'm also going to start a bunch of the seeds to give away and share with my neighbors in my community because that's really what I'm passionate about. I want to be able to, you know, kind of share my resources. They share their resources, and hopefully we can just work together to live in harmony and off the land eventually. That's the goal. I'll do another video on my vegetable seeds later, and subscribe, like if you like seeing this kind of stuff, and be on the lookout for my other videos. We are doing a lot on the farm this summer. I'm starting a garden from scratch and growing some things in some containers as well. I'm growing in a greenhouse for the first time. And basically it's going to be an adventure. And so if you're interested in that kind of stuff, click the subscribe button and you'll see that and all the other things we do here on the homestead. Y'all have a blessed day.